The vehicle being inspected today is a 2017 Ford Escape with a 1.5 liters EcoBoost engine. The vehicle was towed to the repair facility. The customer states that the engine stalled and it won't start. The technician verified that the engine won't start and that there is a major oil leak under the engine bay. The oil was checked, and the dipstick was dry. He then proceeded to lift the vehicle. To inspect the undercarriage, he suspected that the oil pan was damaged. To his surprise, there was no evidence of damage to the oil pan or the undercarriage, but he noticed that the crankshaft alignment tool port plug was missing. This engine is equipped with a port for the technician to install an alignment tool on the crankshaft to keep it in place when a timing belt or related repairs are being performed. The technician attempted to crank the engine by hand, but the engine was locked. The service advisor questioned the customer on any major repair been done to the vehicle. The customer stated that a timing belt was replaced about a week ago by an independent repair facility. It appears that the previous technician forgot to install the port plug back on, or left it loose, causing the engine to leak all the oil, and consequently to have a catastrophic failure. See the metal contamination in the oil filter. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.